We are in Jovana's first flight. Where are we going, guys? Where are we going?
San Juan, Puerto Rico.
Yay!
Can I take a picture?
Of course. We are actually getting your passport in San Juan, Jovana. Can you believe it?
No, there's a couple people doing that.
Oh, really?
No, I guess they have
Ladies and gentlemen, welcome aboard your British pilot to San Juan, Puerto Rico. Once you find your seat, please step into the aisle as quickly as possible so we can continue our boarding process. Today's flight is a full flight within a plan after you place your larger bags in the overhead compartments and your smaller bags underneath the seat in front of you.
We got our first passport signed.
Yeah, first time signing there, so yeah. Why not?
Thanks, Papa. Mommy's there too. Jovana, where are we?
We are in San Juan, Puerto Rico. What they say, Puerto Rico.
Is it nice and hot, Jovana?
Yeah.
Look at that island in the back. It has the flag of Puerto Rico.
That's right.
Did you like how I said Puerto Rico?
Yeah.
Well, the passport is being processed and we're gonna pick it up in no time. And then we're gonna go back home
That's right.
with all your siblings. She needs sunglasses.
Got sunglasses. Shut up.
Yeah, it looks very cute. We should have brought Jillian's. And that is and this beach, he says that is not very first. We